Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Medusa's makeup bag for August 2023. Before we get started, I do want to point out again, I'm wearing the Trixie bronzer stick in the shade Sun Kissed that I just got, and the shimmer topper in Take a Hike. Now today I just did a little thin line of it, kind of like a liner, with my black liner over top of it. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera too well, but I think it just looks super cute in person. And then I feel like I've gotten a little better hang of using this, and I think my look today looks really summery, dewy, and pretty. So I'm very happy about that. Now let's go ahead and get into the Medusa's makeup bag. So this is their birthday anniversary bag. It's got this cute little unicorn cake thing on there. Does it say how many years? 7 years of Medusa's makeup. So it says the bag is going to be a $72 value. It looks like we're getting 7 items. Let's go ahead and dig right in. Okay, the first item I've pulled out is this like unicorn horn white clear brush with red glitter in it. I don't know if it'll pick up. And it is just this stubby little like precision brush. You could use this to really cover the eye quickly. You could probably blend out mascara with this. You could do a very precision highlighter. A lot of stuff you could do with this kind of brush. I like these kind of brushes. I have this one from Rare Beauty that's the same but like angled. Got this one from Real Techniques. This kind of like small shaped one I really like. So I know I'll be getting some use out of this one for sure. So I'm very happy about that. So the card is calling it the Unicorn Glitter Blush Brush. So I guess you could do a really concentrated blush with that. Or this would probably really be good for cream blush too, because it's a little more packed. And it says that's a $10 value. Let's see, the next item looks like a chapstick. Yes, it says birthday cake vegan lip balm. So this is probably just, yeah, a plain old lip balm. Not the most exciting thing. It says this is an $8 value. That feels inflated to me. This feels like just a throw-in item. But I guess I'll always use lip balm, so it is what it is. Not the most exciting item. Next, we have an eyeshadow in a really beautiful color. Let me get the plastic off. Okay, this is their baked eyeshadow in the color Surf. A very, oh, I just put my thumb in it. A very aptly named color. It's so beautiful. Just the most gorgeous, like, tealy turquoise shade. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So here's the color swatch, and it looks absolutely just as magnificent on the hand as it did in the container, and I think that's gonna be gorgeous. I love that. That's fun. That's the kind of stuff I expect in a Medusa's makeup bag. So the card says this is a $14 value. The next item is the birthday cake glitter scented bath salts. I know from experience these glitters get all over the bathtub. It says they're biodegradable, but they don't want to degrade. They just want to stick around forever. And the card says this is a $10 value. I'll use this, but it doesn't excite me. Same as the chapstick. It feels like these are thrown in simply to up the value they put on the card. They're not the most exciting items. This, I'm not sure what this is. You Need Me Pretty Personal Wipe. Oh, gently wipe vaginal or other desired areas. So it's a coochie wipe. What? Love Fresh Pretty Personal Wipe, $2. Interesting. I don't know that I need this in a makeup bag. Feels a little off-brand. I mean, the packaging, adorable. Adorable packaging. Seems a little off-brand and also, like, odd. There's fragrance on this wipe. I'm not wiping a fragrance thing on my tender bits. So I'm probably just going to give that away. So the next item we have comes in this amazing packaging. It's giving saving the people of Townsville Powerpuff Girl realness. The packaging's amazing. And this is a cheeky blush. And it's in a heart container. It's so cute. It says this is the color Sugar Cookie. The card says that this is a $14 value. So you have a mirror in the compact, which is really nice. And there is what the color looks like. We'll go ahead and give that a swatch, as I ruin the beautiful little design embossed on it. Oh, I think I might have grabbed too much to swatch. This is a very heavy swatch. Here's what the color looks like. That is gorgeous. I think that'll look really good on me. Really happy about that color. And actually, that is a heavy ass swatch. So that kind of leads me to believe this color would build up and probably look pretty nice on deeper skin tones too. I know that eyeshadow would look amazing on a deeper skin tone. So I'm quite pleased with that. This feels really nice for Medusa's makeup. This is a really good quality product. I am quite pleased with this. The last item is an Extreme Sparkle lip gloss from the Disco Queen line, and this is in Night Fever. And it looks like this is a $14 value as well. I'm excited because this is a color I don't have. Here's what it looks like in the tube. But let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so there it is. It's like a peachy color with lots of multi-tonal shimmer. I think it's so pretty. I think the three of these together would actually make a really pretty cohesive look, which kind of is how I think this bag should be curated anyway. The color items you get should make a cohesive look. That would make a lot of sense, right? And I think the three of these really would. I think these would be gorgeous together. So let's talk bag overall. I love the eyeshadow, love the lip gloss, love the blush, love the brush. And for that being the core of the bag and what would probably come in a regular bag plus one item, love this. This is so good. Such a great selection. I understand they want to throw in extra things because it's the fun anniversary bag, but I kind of don't like when they throw in these cheap little chapsticks, because even though I will try and use them up, they're not my favorite, and I'd rather just get through them all and repurchase my favorite chapstick. This personal wipe thing, a little odd. I probably won't use it because it's fragranced, and I don't like to put fragrance down on my lady bits, so just gonna give that away. And then the birthday cake bath stuff. I will use it. I will cuss out the glitter afterwards, but it's not the most exciting thing. So the extra bits and bobs are whatever. The core of this bag this month are amazing. Love these. So even though there's all that like filler stuff that's not that exciting, I'm still gonna rank this really high because I think the core of the box is really, really cool. I'm gonna give it an A. I love it. I love it. Very pleased with this month's box and the color products. Like, look at that. Oh, those are all gorgeous. Love that. So really, really happy with this box. Sometimes Medusa's makeup can really upset me, like when they throw in a color I've gotten 10 times. Like, why? What's the point? But I'm very happy with this one. So I'd like to know what your opinions are. Please leave them down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. I've mentioned before, I think in my vlog, that I just opened a TikTok. So find my TikTok link down below and follow me there. And oh yeah, check out Amandaphenomenon.com. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!